Your question is, which of the following is or are principal features of the Government of India Act 1919? 1. The introduction of diarchy in the executive government of the provinces. 2. The introduction of separate communal electorates for Muslims. 3. Devolution of legislative authority by the centre to the provinces. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. Only 1, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is C. 1 and 3 only. The introduction of diarchy in the executive government of the provinces and devolution of legislative authority by the centre to the provinces. Your question is, the concept of fundamental duties has been taken from. Your options are A. American Constitution, B. British Constitution, C. Russian, former Soviet Union Constitution, or D. French Constitution. Right answer is C. Russian, former Soviet Union Constitution. Your question is, which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? Your options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Right answer is A. First. Your question is, which among the following is not mentioned in the preamble to the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Social justice, B. Economic justice, C. Political justice, or D. Religious justice. Right answer is D. Religious justice. Your question is, a bill for the purpose of creating a new state in India must be passed by. Your options are A. A simple majority in parliament and ratification by not less than two-thirds of the states, B. A simple majority in the parliament, C. A two-third majority in parliament and ratification by not less than two-thirds of the states, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. A simple majority in parliament. Your question is, the state is everywhere. It leaves hardly a gap. This statement explains the concept of. Your options are A. Welfare state, B. Communist state, C. Democratic state, or D. Police state. Right answer is A. Welfare state. Your question is, which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution puts an absolute limitation on the legislative power? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 15, C. Article 16, or D. Article 17. Right answer is A. Article 14. Your question is, under which article of Indian Constitution wearing of kirpans by Sikh is deemed as a right to freedom of religion? Your options are A. Article 24, B. Article 25, C. Article 26, or D. Article 27. Right answer is B. Article 25. Your question is, in the presidential election in India, every elected member of the Legislative Assembly of a state shall have as many votes as there are multiples of 1000 in the quotient obtained by dividing the population of the state by the total number of the elected members of the assembly. As at present 1997, the expression population here means the population as ascertained by the. Your options are A. 1991 census, B. 1981 census, C. 1971 census, or D. 1961 census. Right answer is C. 1971 census. Your question is, which one of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? Your options are A. Prohibition of the consumption of intoxicating drinks, B. Prohibiting the slaughter of cows and calves, C. Protection and improvement of the environment, or D. Free education for children up to the age of 16 years. Right answer is D. Free education for children up to the age of 16 years.